How can you cover your mouth when I can feel your dirty spit on my neck, Taurus? Butters. Are you dumb?
Slow down! Adrian, if there's police on this road, you're gonna get yourself in trouble! Adrian, no!
Ain't nothing but the good vibes. We met each other in our tea time. Since then we got saved, engaged, had them not displayed. Our love through married life. Meet the Thorpes, that's our tagline. Like, comment on our journey and subscribe. But seeing as you've clicked on this video, kick back and relax for a good time. Meet the Thorpes. So we're catching the vibe and meet the Thorpes. Asian ties, meet the Thorpes, meet the Thorpes. Catching the vibe and meet the Thorpes. Okay.
Yo people, welcome back to our channel, Meet the Thorpes. You can see I'm on my own, so well, it's a prank time. We haven't done pranks in a while, so you know, he's defo not expecting this. So basically, I'm gonna do a prank on Adrian. And the prank is me sneezing in his face. Now, the reason why this is going to be hilarious is because I can be quite scornful if someone sneezes and doesn't cover their mouth properly, if someone coughs and doesn't cover their mouth, if someone yawns and doesn't cover their mouth. I get irritated. So basically, it's going to be like me calling the kettle black today. So I'm going to put some water in this old makeup bottle, and I'm just gonna spray at him when I sneeze and see his reaction. So comment Team Tara in the comments. Thank you for tuning into today's video, and yeah, I will see you when I get in the car with Adrian, where he's waiting for me and is possibly frustrated that I've taken so long. So thank you again guys for tuning into the video. Hope you enjoy it, and see you guys in a minute.
I just bring the camera. I told you I didn't want to vlog today, and you was taking long.
Because we need to vlog. We said we were going to be consistent, and have we been consistent?
Yeah, but today it's just like, I can't be bothered, man.
Why can't you be bothered?
I don't know, like, I'm tired from the gym. Kind of just, my body just not. I mean,
you're just not in the mood.
Yeah, you can say that.
But unfortunately, it's not about the moods that we're in. We just gotta do what we gotta do. Do you know what I mean? So put on your smile on your face and let's start. Yeah? We don't even need to do the intro now. We can do the intro later.
Alright.
Do you want to start? Oh gosh. I'm starting to feel really sick, you know. No, genuinely, have you not noticed at home?
Nah, it might just be like, I don't know, a one-off. I haven't noticed, to be fair.
A one-off of what?
I don't know.
Me feeling sick?
Yeah.
You're definitely not listening to anything that's coming out of my mouth right now. Typical.
Why? You're not going to say you think you got COVID or something?
No, I wasn't going to say I think I've got COVID.
Because you know you're the person to say, oh, you're always putting stuff out there. Oh, I think I've got...
Okay, Adrian.
The Indian flu.
Okay.
You are.
You're in a proper weird mood today.
You love causing...
Why are you in such a weird mood?
You love calling sickness on yourself.
Why are you in such a weird mood? We're meant to be filming and you... I don't know why you're getting aggy with me just because you're not in the mood.
I'm not getting aggy, I'm just saying, innit?
Just saying what, innit? And it proper hurts because of my TMJ as well. My jaw's gone. Not gone, but it really hurts.
Can't we just vlog when we get to Costco or something?
No, we've got to make it fun.
What's the point of vlogging the way there?
Adrian, adjust your attitude, please. Please adjust it. Come on. When I'm like
one of them YouTubers that I can't get this stuff. Hey guys! It's not all day, every day. I don't want to be fake.
I'm not asking you to be a fake.
Here's another banger! Another banger! Welcome back to my show! It's not that every day.
Gosh, I feel
all
so
of a sudden you're like mad sick.
What?
All of a sudden you're mad sick.
I'm not mad sick, Adrian. I've been sneezing and coughing for the last few days. What is wrong with you? Adrian, take your funky attitude elsewhere, please. Please, it's long. I like his trainers. No, not his.
Oh my, are you mad?
Sorry. I am so sorry.
Why didn't you cover your mouth?
I tried. It was very...
No, but you're the #1 person to be like, oh, I don't like people sneezing, coughing, farting, burping, and you're then sneezing on me. Pass me a tissue.
There's no tissue in the car.
Open the glove.
There's no tissue, you can have it.
Dirty worra. Why did you sneeze on me?
I didn't mean to. What, can you smell it now?
I can, it smells like bogey.
Shut up, bro.
Didn't know that bogey had a smell. He didn't even ask me if my jaw's okay. My jaw just felt like it was about to fall off.
Can you sneeze that way? Do you know what? Actually saying that, you might just have hay fever.
Oh yeah, that's true. But does hay fever just show up like that?
I don't know.
When I was in school, I always wanted to... Anyway, come, we gotta do the video, Adrian.
Yeah, well. Listen, remember I had hay fever every year until like a couple years ago and I started taking local honey.
Yeah, I remember that.
And I haven't even had it for, what, 3 years now?
Good for you.
I know.
Adrian, the video. We've got to do the video.
Babe, just...
Babe, what?
What are we gonna record on the way to the shop? Like,
yeah, like, let's just talk to our family. Why not?
I told you, I'm not in that mood. Like,
oh gosh, my nose. It's really... Maybe you're right. Maybe it is hay fever. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. Where's the hairband? I've got another one here. I'm sorry.
come off me.
I'm sorry, it's not on purpose.
Why don't you cover your mouth?
I did cover my mouth.
How can you cover your mouth when I can feel your dirty
I covered my
spit
mouth
on
like
my
this.
nectar? It's butters.
I went like this.
I can feel your cold, warm saliva.
My cold, warm saliva.
Why?
Yes, it's cold and warm. It's not.
Adrian, what is wrong with you? Who is this person?
Stop talking like that.
Who are you? Because you're acting and I don't understand
You mean
why.
acting? If Tara, I can't sneeze into a tissue without you causing problems. And now you're here sneezing on my neck twice. Like, what kind of sense is that?
Are you done? Have you finished having it?
No, I'm not finished because you're always... You're so... Get on my nerves, man.
I get on
Why
your
do you
nerves.
do stuff like that? Because you won't even like someone sneezing in a vicinity. But yet you're sneezing on my neck.
I didn't mean to, obviously. Adrian, what's wrong? What's wrong?
I just told you, you sneezed on my neck, Tara.
Yeah, but you're just being weird.
No,
I'm not understanding
don't do that,
why.
but yeah, but. You sneezed on my neck. That's not a yeah, but. That's not a yeah, but.
I'm sorry.
That's not a yeah, but.
I'm sorry.
It's not a yeah, but.
I'm sorry. Why are you so pressed?
You just don't get it. It's not a yeah, but, innit? It's definitely not a yeah, but.
Yeah, but you're really
There's not
pressed.
a yeah, but. There's no yeah, but. There is no yeah, but. You sneezed on my neck. That's nasty. That's nasty. Me, you didn't come from the same mother and father. Don't be sneezing on my neck like that.
But you kissed me. You don't mind my spit then, right? Huh? Huh? Sir? 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 I just don't understand. Oh, my nose. My nose.
Don't be stupid. Cover your mouth, Tara. If you're gonna sneeze, if you think you're gonna sneeze, look over there. Don't look at me. Look over there. Do not look at me.
I'm talking to you.
You don't need to look at me to talk to me.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, because that's called good communication.
No. Communication you can do with your mouth. You can do it without your mouth.
Do you know there's
So
a
don't
golf
turn to
course
me.
or there's a course blah 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 blah. Did you know that there's a golf course here?
Yeah.
Look, it's a,
Yes, I know it's there, Tara.
no, but you haven't seen that one over there. Just why don't you just listen? Look, right through there.
Are you dumb? Are you stupid or what?
Jesus is Lord.
So I'm saying you're taking it for some joke thing. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Who are you talking to? Don't talk to
I'm
me
not
like
vlogging
that.
today, man. This is long. I can't. I told you I wasn't in the mood back then. And then you're doing all of this sneezing.
It's not my fault. I'm sick.
Tara, look out the window and sneeze. Cough, do everything. Now you're yawning in my face with your bad breath in the afternoon.
My breath isn't bad. What is wrong with you?
Tara, the sun's out. I don't even want to go shopping with you. I should have just let you take the car and do it on your own.
You should have. I don't know why you're here. You're in such a foul mood today, Adrian. I pray for you.
Come, don't touch me. Don't touch me. What's wrong with you? You even wash your hand. Use some hand sanitizer, but you're sneezing.
You've got the hand sanitizer.
Move, man. What's wrong with you?
You've got the hand sanitizer.
Touching my face. You know what? You don't like when people touch your face. You don't like when people sneeze.
Adrian,
You're
don't
doing it
deal
to
with me
me.
like that. Don't deal with me like that. Don't do that. Take the hand sanitizer. Don't deal with me like that. That's rude. You're rude. Have some manners. All I did was go to pray for you and you're giving me that dirty, sinking attitude. Fix your face.
Oh, allow me, man.
No, can we go another way? Because look, there's traffic, Adrian.
Allow me, please. Just allow me.
There's traffic.
Tara,
and
just
it's
please.
hot.
Do you want to drive?
Yes, when you turn around.
Move your leg.
My leg is moved and you don't need the handbrake so I can keep my leg where it is. Why are you so pressed today? Why are you so pressed? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Do you know how to get rid of seizures? Is it like hiccups? Like you shock someone and it goes?
If you think you're gonna sneeze, Tara, turn the other way now.
I'm yawning.
Turn the other
I'm
way.
yawning.
Don't face me.
I'm yawning. I'm talking to you, so I'm gonna face to you.
I'm
Don't
talking
give
to
me
you.
no
I'm not
attitude.
facing you. I'm
Because
talking.
you're driving.
I'm looking away. Do that again. And I'm telling you now. I'm telling you now. I'm gonna leave the car here. You're gonna drive, I'll walk home. Don't ever sneeze in my face like that. What? You're taking... I've married a mad woman. This is mad. I've married a mad woman.
Don't ever.
mad.
Who are you talking to
You're
like
mad.
that?
You're mad. I've married a mad woman. What is going on? I've married a mad woman.
So that's
What is
got a
going
smile
on?
on your face. Like, wow, you're
Because
smiling.
you're mad.
What did I tell you about calling me mad? I don't like that.
What's up doing that? I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. You're making me... What is wrong with you?
Did you just hit me? Don't hit
Don't
me.
sneeze.
Don't
Oh,
hit
what's wrong with
me.
this girl?
Have you lost your mind? Don't you dare put your hands on me. Don't you dare. Don't you dare put your hands on me.
Tara.
Don't do it. Apologise.
No. You sneezed on me
Stupid.
multiple times.
I don't care what I did. For better or for worse, right?
Oh my God! Wow!
Something else. Man.
You're something else.
What's happening there, man?
Exactly. Turn around.
And go where, Tara?
Go by there, by Hackbridge.
That's long.
No, it's not. This is longer. We're sitting in the heat. Have you looked before? Are you trying to kill me?
Because you're getting on my nerves. Alright, cool. Yeah.
Slow down. Slow down! Adrian, if there's police on this road, you're gonna get yourself in trouble!
Okay.
Adrian, no! Adrian!
Yes.
What are you doing? It's a prank! It's a prank! It's a prank! My poor jaw, it's a prank! Oh, it's a prank! Adrian, it's a prank! Oh my gosh! Adrian, slow down, please! Adrian! Oh my gosh, it's a prank, big man. It's a prank, it's water. It's water, cool down.
Stop!
Cool down.
Stop!
Cool down. Cool down.
Stop, man! It's already happened, exactly. So stop.
Why do you look like you're gonna cry? Don't cry. Adrian, don't cry.
Stupid pranks, bro.
Bruv, this stupid pranks, bruv. Come on, smile.
Come off me, man.
Chill out. Come, babe.
Tara, get off me.
Stop it.
It's not even recording.
It is. It says recording, silly. Say Team Tara. Say Team Tara. Say Team Tara.
Relax, man. Relax.
Say Team Tara. Say it.
No.
Why don't you say it? Say it. Say it. Yeah. Come on. Say it. Say Team Tara.
No.
Guys, you know, Team Tara for the win, hun. Do you know what I mean? Like, obviously, man like Adrian's in his feeling. But Adrian, just chill out, yeah? So anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning into this
Tara, stop,
video.
man.
We really appreciate you. And just Team Tara for the win, hun.
What's wrong with you? Stop. Stop, man. Stop. It's stopped now. All right. You told me it's a prank. Stop.
Peace.
Meet the Thorpes. So they're catching the vibe and meet the Thorpes. Asian ties, meet the Thorpes, meet the Thorpes. Catching the vibe and meet the Thorpes. Okay.